up. Let's see. Boom. Oh, that looks so good. That looks so good. Pocket for that. See what I meant here, guys, where this is up here, it's stuck up. We could have probably faced them forward and then dropped it down, but that's fine as well. But look how smooth this is. Shelby Auto Trimmers we need to go to. This right here. Look at the quality of this right here. So good. This right here, it looks like everything was meant to be. It looks like this to what it is. This is hard. This is made out of metal and wrapped. You got this over here, but this is now stationary. It can't be moved. It's strapped in right there. You look back here, you see where that speaker is right back here, and it's also mounted. See, it's mounted. It moves, but it is mounted. And you got this right here. So right here, we're gonna do something with the, let's see here. Looks so good. So good. Oh wow, you see right here as well. So we got this in. So that did work, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is wrapped in leather. And then we have a seal plate right here. SRT seal plate. You can look at how, right here, remember this right here was where the matting was at right here, where now it's all together. Get in close so you can see. This is the back seat view. This is amazing, guys. And it smells like a brand new car. Wow. So good. You see also that Steve took care of this here where, remember, if you guys remember before, there was a pole that was here that we needed to stay, so now we don't. Look at her. In all her glory, looking so good. Looking so good. Did you come up with your thought with regard to the roll cage? What are you thinking?
Yeah, do the stitch.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so it looks as if, you know, I just want to make sure as far as the transport.
Mm-hmm.
It looks like tomorrow will be ready to go. Is it? Do you think so?
Late tomorrow.
Late tomorrow. Okay, yeah. So if it's after 3, then we'll do it Monday. If it's before.
I say go buy it within.
Fine, okay.
Yeah, I think she thinks you guys are just doing it Monday.
Oh, if that's the case, we'll do Monday.
Yeah, okay.
Oh, that's fine. I don't. Oh, I'm not rushing. I just want to, because my tow guy. That's what happened.